Hello everyone, welcome to Tuts Blocks. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide 3 hacks for desktop icons in Windows, which includes make icons nameless, remove shortcut sign from icons, and change icons. Using these, you can make your desktop icons unique than others, as there are two types of desktop icons, one system inbuilt icons and other shortcut icons, and I'm going to provide hacks for both. 1. Make icons nameless. In case of system inbuilt icons, you can simply make it nameless by renaming it with space. But in case of shortcut icons, you can just rename icons by providing space because name initialization with space violates protocol of naming shortcut icons. For this, you have to provide null character which looks like space. Just select icon and select rename option, then press Alt plus 255. Make sure that the number should be provided from numpad on the right side of the keyboard. Similarly, if you want to make other icons nameless, just increase the null character because two icons can't have same name. 2. Remove shortcut sign from icons. As system inbuilt icons don't have shortcut sign, so they are ideal in this case. For shortcut icons, just open Runbox by pressing Windows plus R, then type Registory and hit OK. Here you can see Registry Editor. Further click on HK Local Machine. Then Software. Then to Microsoft. After that Windows. Then CurrentVersion. Then to Explorer. Finally Cell Icons. Then right click on the right side and select New and string value. Name it 29. Double click on name. Then provide value data. Percentage, windir, percentage, backslash, system32, backslash, cell32, full stop, DLL, comma, -50. Then hit OK. After that, exit Registry Editor. Restart your PC to see changes. Here you can see the icons without shortcut signs. 3. Change icons. First, system inbuilt icons. Right click and go to Personalize. Then go to Themes. Then on right side, you will find desktop icon setting. Click on it, then you'll get desktop icon setting box and select the icon to change. Then click on change icon and select desired icon and hit OK. Then apply. Here you can see the change. Second, shortcut icons. Select icon and go to properties. After that, under shortcut you will find change icon option. Just click on it and select required icon. Then apply. Similarly to browse icons, go to properties, then shortcut, then change icon. After that, click on browse. Here you have to select location for icon you want to insert. I'm going to provide you a way to get system icons. Go to desktop and select the shortcut icon. Hit open, then OK. Here you can see the system icons. Now select desired icon, then apply. Now you can see the changed icon. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you learn about desktop icons with useful hacks. Thanks for watching.